This week, Evernote version 10.125.5 was introduced, and it added two quality of life capabilities or features. And in this video, I'm going to talk about them. The first is the ability to delete spaces, although spaces is still in early access or beta. The second is it introduced the ability to change the tone of your writing using the Evernote AI capability. So we're going to talk about those two things. Let's hop over to the computer and take a look at them. So here we are looking at a space, and I'm going to use this throwaway space because I want to show you some things. Before this week, you could not delete a space. You could rename it, you could create them, but you couldn't delete them. Now we can delete. But let's say I create a note in the space, a throwaway note, and I decide I don't want this space. It's not going to serve my purpose. I can go back to the space, hover over the space, right click, and now there's the option right here to delete that space. That's the feature that's new regarding spaces in Evernote. Now, you've got some other options in here, but today it's all about just deleting the space. And when I hit delete, it comes up, tells me to delete, and the space is gone. You've got this note that popped up saying the spaces are gone. Now I'm down to 3 spaces the way I wanted to be. The second feature was changing our tone in AI to instantly adjust your tone to make it more formal or casual. And then this is again Evernote version 10.125.5. So let's take these 2 lines of text that I have here, highlight them, go up here to the AI button option in the menu, and you now see change tone as an option. I can make it formal, friendly, funny, concise, engaging, and empathetic. So let's say I want to make it friendly. And it goes to town, and I can now copy that and I can now paste it into the note. So this is my original version. And now this is the second one. Florence shares new videos every week and also hosts live sessions regularly. We'd love for you to come and be a part of our wonderful community. Now, I don't talk like that, but that's what the AI said. Just wanted to let you see. Again, option number 2, new feature, changing the tone. Option number 1 is deleting spaces. So deleting spaces is really good if you're creating a space for a project and you don't need it after the project is gone or finished or complete, or you just decided I'm dropping this project and I'm not going to do it at all. I just want this work to go away. Okay? Yeah, just remember this video is not sponsored by Bending Spoons, the owners of Evernote, nor am I an affiliate. I am simply a happy user of Evernote. Hey, so are you enjoying these videos? Great. I'm going to encourage you to watch the next one that's going to pop up right here that the algorithm is going to show you, and I'll see you over there. It'll be a good one. See you there.